welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna show you a cut crease eye makeup look. For this eye look I used Skyfall palette. This tutorial is gonna be very quick and easy. First of all, I used a brown shade in my crease and I blended it outward. I used a fluffy brush for it, and then for the outer corner I used a little dense brush. I applied the same shade on the outer corner and I blended it outward in a V shape. Blending the shade eyeshadows outward will make your eyes look bigger, and I used the same shade on my lower lash line as well. To cut my crease I used Miss Rose concealer. It is in a fair shade, but you can also use any foundation that you have. I cut the crease with the concealer applicator, but if you are not comfortable with it you can also use any small flat brush to cut your crease. But for me it is more easier and quick. But remember, always use less product while cutting your crease. First I clean the applicator, and when just a little product left on the brush on the applicator, then I cut my crease with it. You can also use eyelash color to cut your crease, and then it will also very easy to do it. And with the help of angle brush I clean the line of the crease. I didn't set it with any powder, but just I applied the butter shade on from the same palette. I applied the butter shade. It is actually yellow shade. It is so good, and the pigment of this palette is amazing. But if you apply it with your finger, then the color will be more pigmented. I used aqua liner with the help of a small brush. First I draw the wing and then I join in with my eyelashes. Every time when I apply eyeliner I always apply it very closely to my eyelashes. Then I make it thicker if I want to, but I always apply it near lashes. The brown shade on my lower lashes again. To highlight my inner corner I used a shimmer shade. I didn't apply any glitter or shimmer on my eyelid, just on my inner corner, and with this same shade I highlighted my brow bone. Miss Rose glitter, they are also very good. They are pressed glitter, so there's no need to use any extra other glue for it. And for my waterline I use the Miss Rose nude eye pencil. Applying the white eyeliner in your waterline will also makes your eyes look big. And for mascara I use the Essence Lash Princess mascara. This mascara is also very good. It gives very nice volume to your lashes, and apply it on my both lashes, upper and lower lashes. You can always skip first lashes if you want. Just apply 2 coats of mascara and that's it. So here's the final look. I hope you liked it. This is my first time doing voiceover in English, so I'm sure there is a lot of mistakes. So please forgive me. I will see you in the next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.